So before this video starts, again, we genuinely wasn't expecting to record this video. We took the 110 and the Supra to get some, oh yeah, I know, it's nice, isn't it? We took the 110 and the Supra to go and get dynoed. You'll see that in the 110 video, you've probably already seen that already. But this is a separate video of the other cars that turned up for the dyno. So obviously Skid Row's car and Scott's car, who owns a dyno. Now these are running some serious power, aren't they? So you will see this, enjoy, make sure you leave a like button, smash that subscribe button and notification icon as well, and make sure you're giving all of them a follow on their social medias. So see you guys after this. So we're here up at the dyno place. I'm not going to be able to put the camera to the rear of the car because it's rear wheel drive, so you're not really going to see the back of the car, and plus it's in a bit of a confined space in a little garage, so I don't want the microphone to break on Curtis's camera, so we are going to put it to the front for both of them. It's going to be the same as well when the Supra goes in. The Supra is over just there. She's there. So that's going to be the next one on the list. After this, I think it's open for around 400 horsepower, I think roughly. But this is these guys, Rift Build as well, sat right here. So yeah, that is just the reason why we're not putting the camera to the back. I don't want to blow it, but hopefully we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, so you just saw a few little pulls there. I'm not sure if the guy knows, but that put at 395, so that's why we're recording it away from him, just in case he doesn't, so it could be a little surprise for him after. But it is running 1.6 bar instead of 1.2. No, it's not finished yet at all. It needs properly fine tuning. So 395 is what it's running at the minute. So we'll see what comes of that later on down the line. What are you laughing at, Jack?
It's just one of them days.
Don't zoom in on my face. There we go. Right, so I'm just going to take a walk over here quickly so you guys can hear me. But what's happening there is you're just playing around with the boost. Now, turning the boost up to 1.7 just to check it, that 1.7 bar, and then dropping it back down means that there's actually more power going through it when it's dropped. So what's happening is it looks like it's choking it by putting too much boost through it. So what they're going to keep doing is going to keep tweaking it and seeing obviously how much power they can get. When they first did the run it was 395, then it was 370, now it's 384. So we'll see what's happening. If that's the case and 395 is the most it can go, then obviously the guy's going to look at getting a bigger turbo and such as well. But again, dynos, you have to allow a fluctuation as well. Every single dyno is different, so you need to add like 10%, like a 10% variation for them all as well. So we're going to go back in and see what's happening.
We're up to, what do you think, 7.5?
Guys obviously saw that we sticked at 395, but you haven't seen the anti-lag yet. I think it's going to kick the anti-lag in, but I'm not sure. So yeah, we'll see what happens in a second. I think he may have a play with it, may not. Maybe later before we go, but we'll see. It is quite loud though, isn't it, Jack?
Yes.
But I think what's happening now is the Supra is coming onto the dyno, so we're going to have some fun with that and see how that goes. I'm on 33%. I've got 35 minutes of recording time.
That bag on the charging car for that. You haven't got the cable, have you?
Yeah. Took it with me last night to charge it.
Fuck mate.